What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we're going to do two things. We're going to do the giveaway for the ACD watch face, the Valentine Day watch face, and we're also going to do the giveaway for the international people. And international people, sorry for the delay, sorry for the long wait. We're going to make a quick fast. You're not going to have to wait 4 weeks or more for the giveaway winner to be announced. Cool. And thank you all for everything that you have done for the channel as well. All right. All right, so let's kick this off. First of all, listen, you can see I'm practicing, right? I've been coming from behind the camera a little bit more. You guys get to see me. You guys get to know me a little bit better. But let me know your thoughts on it. Should I have to stay behind the camera, or are you okay with me being in front of the camera, right? It doesn't make a difference either way of what I'm going to do, but I do want to know your thoughts. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. I had to get that off my chest, right? Let's go ahead and get this started, right? Now, first of all, we're gonna announce the winners of the giveaway, right? We got 3 winners, right? And you're gonna be able to choose which watch face you want, which I thought was pretty cool about his developer. And if you have not checked out his lineup, check out his lineup. This guy is one to be reckoned with. ACD watch faces. Check him out, right? So now let's go ahead. Let's announce the winner, right? We got 3. Now, number 1 is Paige. Now I think Paige is new to the channel, so make sure you all congratulate Paige. 2, Paige, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on the channel. But welcome, you are a proud winner of a Valentine's Day watch face. So everybody make sure you congratulate Paige on her win. Thank you, Paige, for being a part of the family, okay? Number 2 is going to be Sammy. Sammy, you are a proud winner of a Gear 3 Valentine Day watch face. I don't know if this is for you or for the missus. Got plenty of hearts on it. Either way, you are a winner. Congratulations. Thank you for being a part of the channel. Thank you for all your comments and the love that you bring to the channel as well. Winner number 3, we are talking about Adrian. Adrian, thank you. You're always commenting. You always have something positive to say. I appreciate that. And you are a proud winner of a Valentine's Day watch face. Congratulations, all right? Adrian Robinson is your name, right? Your last name, right? Cool. All right, so what I need for you guys to do is make sure you look in the comment section down below. Also, it should be coming across the screen right now, my email address. So this is the email I need for you to email me at so I could be able to send you the watch face codes. And make sure you leave the country in which you're from so I can send the right code to the right country. And again, you're going to be able to choose which watch face you want. Cool. Thank you for participating. Thank you for being a part of the channel. And thank you for all the love and sunshine that you bring to the channel as well. Thank you. All right. Now, international people, let's do this. First of all, thank you. And I apologize again for the long wait. I can't promise you it won't happen again. But listen, we'll be on time next time. How is that, okay? And we're going to figure out a better way to do this where we can get it all in line. But I just need to line up the shipping issue that I have personally with sending certain things and the price of the shipping sometimes being really, really high. Okay, so if you can help me with that on more of a less expensive way to ship, or is it possible for us to do Walmart to Walmart, or is Best Buy shipping a little bit cheaper? Just hit me in the comment section below. Help me to generate some ideas as to how I can ship you the product, because I really would like to send you some products. Why? Because it kind of personalizes the gift, you know. You got the gift. You're like, man, I got this from Huck's World, right? Or somebody asks you, where did you get that from? I got it from Huck's World. Who is Huck's World? Huck's World on YouTube. Let's go check them out, right? And that's what I mean. That's what I would like to do. That's just me, right? But we don't have to. I have a way that I've done it before, which I think works out fine. But if I can find a better way that's going to be more suitable, where we can personalize this a little bit more, I would like to do that, okay? So this is all you have to do to participate in the giveaway. First of all, you have to be a subscriber. Second, you have to be 18 in order to participate in the giveaway. And we don't want any trouble. You want your parents wondering where you got these gifts from. And by no way or means is YouTube, Google, or anybody else a part or have been sponsored or sponsoring this giveaway at all. All right? This is coming from me to you and thanking you for helping me to build Huck's World. Cool? Now, here's what I want you to do. First thing you have to do is hit the like button down below. It's a thumbs up button that looks kind of like that. I think it's white though. Kind of like that, right? And the second thing I need for you to do is let me know what phone you're going to be getting this year if you're able to upgrade. Is it going to be the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, or the Galaxy Note 9? Or is it going to be the Google Pixel? Or, because I think I have a small percentage of iPhone people that watch my channel, and if I do, could you hit me down below so I can recognize you? I appreciate that, right? Just let me know which phone you're going to get this year, if you're going to get any phone at all. And last but not least, this one here, I did a video recently on a Bluetooth speaker / power bank, right? It's by BluePot, and it's a Bluetooth speaker with the 10,000 milliamp hour battery. I need for you to watch the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on it, and let me know if it's a buy it or leave it right where it's at. That's all you have to do. You don't have to jump through no hoops or anything else. That's it. That's all. Cool. And we're going to run this for 2 weeks, and we're going to do the announcement on time. All right. And if you think I forgot, remind me. It's okay. Right. All right. So that's it. Right. So I really appreciate everybody. Thank you, everybody, for participating. Thank the international people for their patience. And listen, it's the weekend. Right. And some of you all are off. Here's what I need you to do for me. First of all, if you're going to party like it's 1999. If you're going to chill, relax, enjoy. If you're going to be cooking this weekend, cook, eat, and be merry. But most of all, what I want you to do is be safe. Be safe and have fun. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I did enough talking. Super chat, here we come, right? Live streaming. And with that, that's it for this video. I am going to see you at the next one. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel, just make sure you hit the notification bell. All right, you all. I will see you again at the next one. Peace.